During the design, you may place turnouts on elements that will later be part of a complex. So in this case, you may not see the turnout onto the profile. In this case, you can see the turnout onto the profile, on the single element profile, because it's the one the turnout is placed on. But what happens if I create my complex as usual, including these elements where I have the turnout? Here it is. You can see that on the profile, the turnout is not visible. So I must change the reference of the turnout, and it's a new command introduced with OpenRail Designer 2023. So with this command now, I can see the profile, I can see the turnout onto the profile. It could be a little more difficult to get access to this command if the turnout is also part of a complex. Just create a complex on these simple branches. And now if I try to select my turnout and get access to the replace reference command from the little toolbar, I don't get the little toolbar. Okay. Here I'm trying the right click, but again, it's the one on the complex and not the one on the turnout. So what you can use is the properties dialog or the Explorer dialog. Here you can access to the replace reference. And again, we will see the turnout onto the profile. And it's not limited to an element that is just right under the turnout. You can create an element and do the same. Here I will use the Explorer, the same, where I can right click onto the turnout and replace centerline reference. And that's it.